Lady Maran Okonkwo, President General. General Secretary or Secretary General for Pastor Ifeanyi Nwefuru. And one of their twins, Oyekachigo, Oyekachiadobi, Benjamin Atwaka. Orina Pareva. Then Ejike Daniel. That person. So that means then I got some people, some stakeholders. Also, Aja is very far. Very far. Oh, 3 hours or so when my river. Oh, brother, na Catholic Church. Chairman of OPM. Then I'm with some women. Then makeup. This is Ellen Gabo. As Gabia, so is two watching. When it comes up to specifying food, 191, Lucy, Elizabeth Ekirim. Then the other one, our neighbor, senior custom officer too, Princess Patience Ochoma. Also is police post, and also the home. So, thank you very much. So, I'm going to introduce.
No, I'm going to show you. No. Because when you're in there, with the way you were all gone. Oh, yeah, call a woman.
Just in our part, propose it because of income. What do you come out of the road chicken? Very more can that will do is very hard. You only get it does hold some waters, not bad. Come on, honey, me by you. You know, me to chicken ketchup. Then you will idea. Over and have you bread. ọgwụ adọrọ m abụghị